Hello again, a new day and hopefully a new fix. And look what I got from the market flea. A Sony Minidisk MDS GA520. Well, I couldn't test this over there. There was no power supply. I don't want to put this now, to connect it to the mains, because I'm really afraid about what could happen. A lot of dust in here. I'll gonna clean it later if it proves working. Of course, with 10 euros, I think only the case deserved that. Okay, that's an original Sony Minidisk made in Japan. Are you kidding me? Yes, it's made in Japan. I can see the power cables kind of smashed there. That can be an accident or as well kind of, secure throwing in the bin. But usually the cable should be cut if the machine is not working anymore. So I still have a hope. Well, let's have some measurements here. First, the power supply cable input here, 200 Ks, nothing. You see, the power supply switch, it's not a mechanical on-off switch, if you know what I mean. So I don't think we have a direct mains switch. This can be an electronic sum. And somehow, I think I'm right, because these guys, if I remember, they have a kind of timer and stuff like this. So that means it should be on all the time. I'm not sure, but I'm trying to think about the way the things are working here. And also, if it's a switch mode power supply, you don't need any mechanical contact. It's only a sensor switch on and off. Let's open it up anyway. So we have 4 screws, I think so. And if you take a look at the screws, I can say that never ever open this guy. There is no harm to the screws. They are looking bright new. And that's a good sign. Also, by the way, they are coming out. And what's encouraging, there is no kind of oxidation or rust of any kind. The screws are impeccable, nice. Okay, another to this side. Yeah, by the way, there is no remote control. And that's kind of pity, because a lot of functions are related to the remote control. Do we have any more here? No. Just like that, nothing behind. Told you I never ever open one of these guys. Ba-bam! And it's out. Oh, look there. Any debris? Oh, okay. Exactly what I meant. We have a transformer, and look the way it's done. This one is soldered. Japan, yes, my friend. It's pristine. Look in there. It's so clean. No dust, anything. Here I can see that's from the screwdriver. Probably when they put this in there, it falls or something and makes some marks. But I can say, people, this guy is untouched, that's for sure. And probably the power supply, it's always on. And then we have this electronic switch telling that the power needs to be turned on and off. Okay, simply, let's start with the power cable. Oh yeah, that's the input here. Do you think I am so lucky? Huh? Continuity mode. Let me try the other side. Nothing. This is good. Okay. And what about this guy? Nothing. I can't believe that. Only this? It's only this? The cable? Well, I told you, here it's pretty bad shape. It's smashed. So let's take this out. How can I take this out? Huh? I know how to take it out. Like that. Alright, so the cable is still usable. But how can I take this out? Alright, so this should go this side. Oh yeah, I think I know how. Not so hard, so I have to squeeze this. The cable input here, done. The second, always flux. Come on. That should be enough. Isolation, perfect. Good enough. You know something? I can simply check this before. Let's plug this back in here. Now I can check for any kind of resistance here. Let's say 2K. Of course, 252 ohms. That's the primary from the transformer. If I push this, anything happens? Nothing happens. Okay, looking good. 252. I believe this is safe to put it on the mains. 1, 2, 3, and are you kidding me? Look there. So this is off. Okay, timer off. But I got not. Oh yeah, I have a standby LED right here. Beautiful. No disc. Well, I have a disc right here. We have to insert this, and well, it's been such a long time since I don't use a mini disc. All right. Talk reading. 18 tracks. Are you kidding me? And it's working. I can't believe it. Nice. Headphones. Is it really working? Yes. "40 minutes of recording. Do you think it's working like a recorder? Shall we give it a try? I need the cable. I'm gonna use the input, which is right here. Analog in. We have also coaxial and optical. And choose from the input here. Optical input, coaxial, analog in stereo. And I'll have my Adderall like a microphone. Testing, testing, testing. Output level. Testing, testing. Okay. Then I push right here. Record. It's protected. Okay. All right. Here we have a little switch. We have to turn like that. Okay. As I can see, the disc is not spinning all the time, and this is nice. A few models used to spin it all the time. So it's spinning only when it's necessary. Record signal. Yeah, we have the signal in. Can I push it louder? Is there any way to menu, clear, enter? Okay. How can I set up? Is this the volume here? No. Anyway, doesn't matter. Okay, let's run it. So, testing, testing, testing. This is a test. Testing, testing, testing. Okay. track 19 level, headphones level. Testing, testing, testing. This is a test. It's working. Testing, testing, testing. Absolutely yes. I can't believe it. Okay, let me remove this track 19 menu. No. Track erase. Yes. I'm looking for track 19. Yes. Please. Testing, testing. Okay. So we have 18 tracks. Yes, people. It's working. I have a working Minidisk, optical coaxial input, analog input, of course, and wide bit stream sampling rate converter, everything and anything you want to have from a Minidisk with 10 euros. The cable was the problem. Now all I have to do is to put it back, and it's a working machine. Nice. Okay, like always, please consider subscribe to my channel, and also like. I'm waiting your comments, and if there, if you have any question, write them down. I'll be happy to answer. Like always, be creative and mostly have fun. Bye bye.